Hey guys, welcome to the classroom. Today we're going to do some writing. What you're going to need is your paper that looks just like this. It says lesson dictation. You have numbers 1 through 5, and then at the bottom you even have a space for a sentence. We're going to practice writing some words today with our CK digraph at the end. Remember, this follows our milk truck rule. Do you remember what it says? If the word has one syllable, find the short vowel. Then ask yourself, is the vowel alone? If it is, then you add CK to the end of the word. If the vowel has a consonant or another vowel next, then you only add a K to the end. Take a look at this word, milk. Where's the short vowel? I. Does it have a consonant or another vowel after it? Yes, then they only add the K. Take a look at this word, truck. Find the short vowel, U. Is there another consonant or vowel after it? No, then you add CK. All right, let's do some practice with our milk truck rule. Go ahead and take out your pencil and your paper. Take a look at number 1. Do you see beside number 1, you have 1, 2, 3 lines. Those are your 3 sound lines. Remember, CK go together. So when we write CK, they go on one line together. They stay together, don't they? Your first word that we're going to write is the word neck. Let's tap it. N, e, k, neck. Now, listen, guys. N, e. Your short vowel is e. Do you hear any sound after e besides k? N, e, k. No, you only hear the k sound after the short vowel. That's how you know it's going to be a CK at the end of that word. Let's practice writing it together. What do you hear? N. Very good. We're going to write that on our first sound line. N, e. What vowel says e? E. Good. And we've already decided that C and K are going to be at the end of this word on a line together. N, E, C, K. Now, you can come to this line and rewrite it neatly all together. Neck. Great job, guys. Now, let's look at number 2. For number 2, your word is luck. Say luck. I wish you good luck. Let's tap it out. K, luck. What's your short vowel? That's right. Do you hear another sound after the besides k? Listen. K. No. So if there's nothing after that vowel except for k, remember it's going to be a CK. All right, let's write it. What do you hear? L. Good. U. K. CK. Good job. It goes on one line together. Now we can rewrite it neatly on our rewrite line. Good, guys. All right, number 3. Your word is tack. Say tack. Let's tap it. T-a-k. Tack. Are you ready to write it? Here we go. T. What do you hear? T. Good. T-a-a. Tack. That's right, CK, because that's all we hear. Great. Let's rewrite it very neatly. Great job. Now, look at number 4. do you notice on number 4, you have your line, but underneath you have your squiggly line? That is telling you that this sound is going to be a digraph or a 2-for-1. So for number 4, your word is chick. Say chick. Let's tap it out. Ch, I, k, chick. Okay, did you hear that beginning digraph? What 2 letters put together say ch? C-H. They go together on one line because they're 2 letters that make one sound. All right? Let's write that. Ch. Okay? Ch. I. Aye, good. K. C-K, because we didn't hear anything else after that short vowel I. Rewrite it. Okay? Your last word on number 5 is the word shock. Say shock. Let's tap it out. Sh, ah, k, shock. Did you hear a digraph? Because I did. What 2 letters put together say sh? S-H, that's right. Let's put them together on our digraph line. Sh, ah, oh, that's right. C-K, because we didn't hear another sound. Great. All right, let's do our rewrite. Guys, you're doing an awesome job with these words today. Okay, it looks like we're down to the spot where we're ready to write a sentence. Take a look where it says sentences. Number 1. Let's count and see how many lines there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different lines. Each line will get 1 word. Did you notice that some of those have 2 lines? That's telling you that there are going to be red words on those lines. Here's our mountain to help us remember that our first word should always be a capital. Here's our box to help us remember to put our punctuation at the end. And look, they've already skipped spaces. So our sentence is all set up for us. All right, let me tell you what your sentence is. Here it is. Listen carefully. I'm going to pound it, and then I'm going to let you pound it with me, okay? Did the cat like the chick? That doesn't sound like a telling sentence. That sounds like an asking sentence. I'm asking you a question. Let's do it together. Did the cat like the chick? We're asking. Did the cat like the chick? That's what we're going to write today. All right, see if you can bump it by yourself. Great job. Do it with me one more time. Did the cat like the chick? Okay, what's our first word? Did. Very good. Now, we can't just start writing. We have to tap out our sounds. If our first word is did, let's listen for our sounds. D, id, did. Okay, now we're ready to write. Let's start on that very first line where you see the mountain. Remember, your first letter is going to be a capital. D. Capital D. D. I. Did. D. Good. Guys, you have to write small on these lines because there's not a lot of room, is there? Did. Did. Okay, what's our next word? Did. The. Do you remember that red word? Let's do it. T-H-E. T-H-E. The. All right, you're ready to write it. T-H-E. And none of those letters should be capital. Only that first letter. Okay, we're ready for our next word. Did the cat. All right, let's sound it out. At, cat. This k sound at the beginning of cat should be a C. At. Great job, guys. Did the cat like? Do you remember that red word? L-I-K-E, like. Like. Let's write it. L-I-K-E. Did the cat like? Did the cat like the again on our red word line? You already know how to write that. T-H-E. Did the cat like the chick? Let's tap it out. Ch-I-C, chick. Hey, you already wrote that word. You know how to do it. We've just got to add it into our sentence now. Remember, this is the line for chick. Did the cat like the chick? What's going to go at the end of this sentence? A period? That goes at the end of a sentence that we're telling someone something. This is a sentence that's asking something. What would go at the end? A question mark. That's right. Let's make our question mark. Very good, guys. Now let's read our sentence. Make sure we can understand it. Did the cat like the chick? Great job. Now let's check our sentence for cups. Here are our cups checklist. Did we begin with a capital? Yeah, we did. Can we understand it? Did the cat like the chick? Sure. Did we put punctuation at the end? Yes, we added a question mark. Did we have spacing? It was already done for us, wasn't it? Now, your job is to, on this line right here, you're going to write this same sentence on this line. But you have to remember to follow the cups checklist. You have to start with a capital. You have to understand it when you're finished. You have to put your punctuation. And this time, you have to finger space between your words. Then you're going to check it for cups as well. All right, guys, do your rewrite of that same sentence. Then check it for cups. Great job today, friends.